I welcome you all to the new video. So, very good afternoon to everyone. This is Michael Jones, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So, in this video, I welcome you all to introduce the course Introduction to Robotics. In this session, we will begin a journey into the fascinating world of robotics by understanding what robots are, how they are perceived in the society, and what are the fundamental principles that governs its behavior. So robotics is an interdisciplinary field that combines mechanical engineering, electronics, computer science, AML, and control systems. All these are integrated into a single component. So robots have become an essential part of this modern industries, healthcare, space exploration, and even in our daily lives. So in this lecture, we will discuss common perceptions of robots, their behaviors, their classifications, the famous laws that guides the robotic behavior. So before defining a robot technically, let us think that we have already encountered it through movies and popular culture. So in this slide, we have certain examples. So you can see the robots such as I, the robot, Wall-E, the robot, and Indiran, the most famous fictional movie. So these fictional robots have greatly influenced how society imagines the robots. In the movie I, Robot, robots are portrayed as intelligent machines capable of assisting humans, while raising a question about safety and ethics. Wally introduces to a robot capable of emotions, learning, and independent decision making. It demonstrates how robots may interact with the environment. In Indiran, a humanoid robot Chitti, it showcases advanced artificial intelligence and human-like capabilities. Although these examples are fictional, they highlight important concepts such as autonomy, intelligence, sensing, and decision making, which are central to modern robotics. So, in real world, robots may not be have advanced as these cinematic representations, but they perform critical tasks with precision and reliability in industries around the world. So now let us understand how robots are classified. Robots can be categorized based on their structural, movement, and applications. From an industrial robots are often classified as industrial robots used in manufacturing, welding, painting, and assembling. Service robots assist humans in hospitals, homes, public environment, and such as mobile robots capable of navigating through different locations. Humanoid robots are designed to resemble and interact like humans. And other classifications is based on the mechanical configuration. So based upon the mechanical configurations, robots are classified as Cartesian, cylindrical, SCARA, and articulated robots. Understanding the robot classification helps engineers to select appropriate suitable structure for a specific task. For example, a robot arm used in automobile assembly is different and it is significantly from medical surgery robot and household cleaning robot. Therefore, robot classification forms from understanding robot design and application. An important question arises become robots become more intelligent and autonomous. Do we need laws for robots? So as robots increasingly interact with the humans, concerns related to safety, ethics, and decision making becomes critical. Imagine a robot operating in a hospital, driving a vehicle, or assisting elderly people. Any incorrect decision could possibly result in a potential harm. So therefore, guidelines are necessary to ensure these robots behave responsibly. Robot laws are not legal regulations in traditional sense, rather they are conceptual principles that help define a safety and ethical robot behavior. So these laws are proposed to ensure that robots remain beneficial to the society, humans, and it has operate in an accountable boundaries. One of the most influential concepts in robotics is the three laws of robotics. The first law is don't harm any humans. Then now moving to who devised these laws. In these three laws of robots were introduced a science fiction writer Isaac Asimov. So although originally for science fiction stories, these laws sparked serious discussions among engineers, scientists, and ethics regarding safe development of intelligent machines. The purpose behind these laws was to maintain a balanced relationship between the humans and robots. As robotics and artificial intelligence continues to evolve, the concepts introduced by Asimov remains highly relevant and contribute to inspire modern research of ethics. To summarize today, we explored familiar robot examples, learned how robots are classified, understood the need for robot laws, and discussed Isaac Asimov's laws. In next lecture, we will continue the fundamentals of robotics. Thank you.